Technical leader of Jamaica's track and field team to the recent Paralympic Games, Maurice Wilson, has given his qualified support to plans by the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3s, and the Jamaica Track and Field Coaches Association to fall in line with international best practices to issue local coaches with 2-year licenses starting in January next year.
While in support of the idea of having all track and field coaches being licensed to practice their craft in Jamaica for 2 years, Maurice Wilson, who is the head coach of Sprintec, wants to see certain things done.
Well, in terms of certification for coaches, it's always an excellent move. Coaches need to be current. In terms of how it is done is another situation. It is important for the Coaches Association to have discussions with members of the body because they have some amount of autonomy, and there are coaches here that are level 5 coaches, very experienced coaches, and in terms of the decisions moving forward, whether or not a coach can practice, some of that autonomy lies within the Coaches Association. So it's important for the Coaches Association to have communication and have possibly resolutions being passed at their annual general meeting if they are going to make adjustment in terms of the process.
Another coach, Akil Stewart of Swept Track Club, welcomes this biannual coaching licensing system.
Well, I believe for the sports to evolve, things will have to change, and as such, I endorse the move by the association to do just that, and I will also, allow myself to, be within that licensing and following the protocol.
With one coach now being in front of the courts on a charge of sexually assaulting a student athlete, David Riley was asked to address the safeguarding in sport aspect of the new license system.
Well, safeguarding is now a requirement for all coaches. Whether you've had previous certification or not, you have to do the safeguarding course, you have to pass it. And submit that as evidence in order for you to be licensed. And of course, come 2026, we'll require a police record for persons to renew their license. So we're really trying to bring it in line with what is already a practice globally, so that we can protect all the persons involved and really raise the standard in terms of the persons who are engaged in the sport, and make it a profession.
Coach Riley says there's been widespread buy-in from the coaches.
In fact, the level 2 course that's scheduled for December is oversubscribed already. The level 1 assessments, which are taking place this Friday, those are heavily subscribed. So the coaches are making use of the opportunity to learn and to fall in line with what's happening globally.
Previous coaching licenses were usually valid for a lifetime. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.